Good morning, Divas. So today is Sunday, December the 23rd. I am already ready for church. I'm actually early. I'm ahead of time, and I'm so proud of myself. You guys, that's rare, okay? I'm always rushing to the last minute, but I am ready. So for my makeup today, I did something pretty, I don't know. It was simple doing it, but it looks a little bit more glam than what it is. I used my Morphe 350 palette, and then I also used my Anastasia Beverly Hills which palette is that? For my makeup, I used my Morphe 350 palette, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and then I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette as well, and then this BH Cosmetics contour kit that I've had forever. So yeah. So I am headed to church. For my outfit today, I'm wearing this Michael Kors top. It's a long sleeve black top with gold, with like a gold attachment there. And then I also have this sweater that I got from Shein a few years ago. My girl Kim posted this on her channel years ago, The Chic Natural, and I was in love with it, so I was like, let me go buy this before it gets sold out. So yeah, I bought this from Shein, and it is a crowd favorite. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing these boots here. They're booties, and I got them from Ross. From Ross, they were about $20. I bought them a few years ago. So yeah, I'm headed to church. My hairstyle, I really regret not recording it because it actually came out cute. I wore my hair in a high bun, and then I added additional hair. It's like curly hair that I got from like a quick weave set that my friend gave me. And so I just added that to add some texture to my bun because my hair was still curly, crunchy, wavy from yesterday. So yeah, then I added some gold accessories inside the hair cuffs to add some dimension to my bun as well. You can see it in the back, but I think it's super cute. Pretty nice for a Sunday. So I am headed to church, glad to be on time, actually ahead of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the car. I'll see you guys in a few. I'm so thankful for a beautiful, great day. The weather's good, the sun is out. I literally have no complaints. I'm just thankful to be here, to be in the land of the living, to be able to be walking towards my purpose, to have great family and friends around me, to find a church home. Like, that's hard. You know, a lot of people I know are struggling to find, you know, a place that they can call their own, and I'm just thankful that I have a place. You know, the church, the ministry that I'm in right now, I've been there since I was 14 years old, and I'm so thankful my mom, my parents made that decision to, you know, leave where we were and go to something new, because I don't think, honestly, my life would be where it was today if I wasn't planted in a good ministry. So I'm so thankful for that. But yeah, I'm just in a spirit of gratefulness and thankfulness. I'm just so thankful for a lot of things, and I can't take it for granted. So yeah, I'm just having a good day, you guys. The birds are chirping, like. But yeah, I'm headed to church. I will see you guys when I get out. Hey y'all, so it is later in the day. I am at home chilling. Church was amazing, had a good time there. And so yeah, we just finished eating dinner, and I'm cleaning up some dishes. I do have a family friend, someone from church, coming over. I'm going to teach her how to take photos. She had questions about photography and using her camera. She has a DSLR Canon, but I'm not sure what exact model she has, but she's on her way, so I can give her some tips and tricks. And I think she wants to go around to certain places to practice with the camera. So I have a few objects that I want her to focus on zooming and taking photos and making sure her aperture and all of that kind of stuff is good. But besides that, it's more so just trying to get a feel for her camera and seeing what is the best setting and the best lighting for wherever she's at. So I'm not really an expert, but I will be sharing knowledge of what I do know and see if that helps her as well. So yeah, I'm cleaning up, she's on her way, and I will see you guys in a few. The back of my hair needs some gel. Doing some dishes. Cleaning up. Buying some movie tickets.
Yep.
We're gonna go to the movies tomorrow, so he is buying movie tickets so we can go to the movie. What we seeing tomorrow? Aquaman? We're gonna go see Aquaman tomorrow. So I saw something pretty dope online. I was looking on wayfair.com. I like to look on there for home decor and accents and things like that for the house. And I've been looking for a TV stand for our basement area, our rec area. And I saw something that was pretty fresh. It actually goes very well with this wall. I have a wall like this downstairs, an accent wall. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is the wall, but this is the stand. And it has the ripples and all of that. I thought it was pretty dope. And it looks like that. Do you guys think that's a good match? I think so. Sorry, my husband's in there cleaning the toilet, so pardon the noise. So I'm using this Weiman, whatever, glass cooktop heavy duty cleaner and polish. This is real good on stovetops. My stovetop is pretty dirty. As you can see, my husband, when he cooks, it's not always the neatest, but I will take care of that. So I like to just put some on like that. Roll up my sleeves. And this is my husband's design. He designed this little square here. That's what he wanted. I liked how the marble was very flush, so I chose that for the stone. But yeah, it goes very well, and I wanted them to cascade it down so it could look better than being sideways. So, but anyway, back to this. I'm gonna just clean it, and you gotta use some elbow grease, you know. And if you don't clean it fast enough, it does leave some residue, but you just gotta scrape at it a little bit. Scrape and wipe, scrape and wipe. And I like to get in the cracks here as well. You see how that product, if you don't clean it right, gets stuck in the crack. I just kind of bring my nail to go through there. Just like that. And then wipe it away. And this is touch screen, so you gotta be careful to not turn anything on. Go in the cracks. And this is how I keep it looking like new with this Weiman glass cooktop, heavy duty cleaner and polish. And no, this video is not sponsored. Do any of you guys recommend a stainless steel appliance cleaner? I need something that's going to be streak free. Like my dishwasher and my refrigerator have a lot of streaks, and I would love to find a product that could make those streaks go away. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave comments in the comment section below. I have used so many different products, and I haven't found any that have the results that I'm looking for. But I definitely want to know and try to find that out ASAP, because my fridge and appliances are looking a little rough right now. Put that up, fluff some pillows. I got these little holders from the at-home store. They're normally in the office section, but I bought them and I thought they would be perfect for remotes. My living room and house all together is a play on metals and grays, so I thought this would be perfect. And it's very masculine, but it's fresh. So I just put this right here. So when you come to the couch, you could just pick up your remote and chill. And we got this couch online. I really love it. It's very modern. And all of the headrests come up, but I like to just have this headrest up and the one over there up. Then, to add some more flavor, this pulls out into a couch bed. Or a sofa sleeper is what they call them. So what you do, you can leave it like this on this level, or you can pull it up just like that. And you got yourself a nice little bed. And this is what it looked like. Perfect for guests and when you're wanting to just kind of chill out and watch a movie while upstairs. But this is one of my favorite couches. Very easy to put up. It has wheels at the bottom, so you can just slide it in there. You're all set. And the pillows, I got those from At Home. These two. Then this pillow here with like a quilted pattern, and it's like faux leather. And these came with the couch. Here's a painting that I did. Super cute. I did it with acrylic paint and glitter and some Mod Podge and leaf paper. So super cute. And I have my signature down here. And we got these bar stools from the At Home store. I believe they were $79 a piece. Were they $79? I think they were $79 a piece. $79 or $69. But At Home is definitely our store. I'm cleaning the countertops. These are quartz Carrera countertop, which is like the marble countertop. Very easy to clean, very durable, and pretty. I just use Windex and sometimes Clorox cleaner on it, depending on how dirty it is. Windex today. Got the dishwasher going so I can get some dishes cleaned. We're all good to go. Looks nice and clean. And I got these accents from the At Home store as well. As I told you guys, I live there. This was for $17.99. And I think I left the price on this one too. $7.99. Super cute accents. Got that backdrop in the back. Super cute. And it goes with the whole theme. This part is my favorite part of the kitchen. This little faucet, super cute. I gotta clean it, it's a little dirty, but I use Windex for this as well. Oh, and then, as I told you guys, Home Goods was my favorite. I got these glasses from Home Goods. I was so hyped when I saw these. My husband wasn't too thrilled. He didn't think they were fresh, but y'all, these are bomb, and I think he likes them now. We got these cups from IKEA. Very simple but cute. And the rest of the cups are pretty simple. I got the hubby and wifey and all of that. I got this from Home Goods. Towels from Home Goods. I just keep this as decor. I don't like when people use these towels. I had somebody dry their hands. on the towels. I was like, the paper towels are right here. So yeah, I try to keep people away from these because they're just cute to look at, you know? So yeah. Then got these from Home Goods. Marble plates by the brand 225th. Porcelain plates. They're very heavy, very sturdy. So we got those, and then the smaller plates and bowls as well. And we got these cute little things from IKEA. Was it IKEA? Yeah, we got these bowls up top from IKEA as well. Super cute. I like textured patterns, and the fact that they're white makes me love them even more. Well, our guest is here. I will not be vlogging this, so I will see you guys a little bit later.
Oh, so they come with the strap with the thing on it, huh?
Yeah, I actually just put this on last week for when Juan had my camera at the graduation, so I let him hold it. But I normally don't. I normally don't have it on there. But yeah, this one is the kit lens that I use, the 18 and 135 millimeter.
So you said it by name, so okay, so what is this then? I'm talking.
That one is 75 to 300 millimeter. So yes, that gives you your distance. So that's good.
Zooming in, huh?
Yeah.
Zoom and get it.
But I like using my 50 millimeter for like objects like this when I want to show earrings or my glasses. And so, yeah.
Augusta Lake.
That is so pretty.
So I like sunrises, sunsets, moons. I try to get the stars at night. It just, so there's the moon in the daytime. I think this might be the nature trail.
Any auto exposure mode. Changing modes and settings is a little bit different on every camera.
I am going to go ahead and wrap up tonight's vlog. Hey guys, so I just finished editing and I'm gonna wrap up tonight's He didn't want to be on camera. Hey Divas, so thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed my content. I really didn't do too much, but you know, just kind of lounge at the house, go to church, clean up at the house, you know, do some photography stuff, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Can't wait to see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.